Hi everyone. If you want to build a website, one of the first things you need is a domain name and hosting. But for many beginners, this process can be confusing. Where do you buy it? Like which plan should you use? And how do you get to set everything up correctly? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy a domain name and hosting using Namecheap, even if you've never done it before. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important step. On this channel, I make content about web design, online business, digital tools, how to grow your business online, how to put your business out there online. So if you're interested in learning how to build websites, if you're interested in growing your website or your brand online, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you need help with any of your website projects, you can reach out to me directly. So the first thing you need to get set before you start is your domain name idea. And briefly, what's the domain name? Your domain name is just like your website URL, your website address where you type on Google and then it displays your website, everything that is on your website. So what do you need? You need your domain name idea. So let's say your business is TechVon, like this channel currently is TechVon, then you need a domain name idea. So we can just go on to say techvon.com or techvon.org. So once you've come up with a good domain name idea, which is simple, easy to remember, and memorable, then you can go straight to purchase your domain and hosting. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be making use of Namecheap hosting platform. Here we're going to buy our hosting and domain. So just come on Google, search for Namecheap, click OK, then you click on the website. This is Namecheap. Now we are on Namecheap website. What you need to do is first of all is let's sign up. Let's put in our details. I'm signing up as Charles. Good. Now I have my details set up on the page. Next thing is to click on create account. You put your username, you put your password, you put your email. Good, now we have our account set up. So let's go straight to purchasing our domain and hosting. Now the next thing is let's get our hosting and domain. As you can see on the top nav bar, we have the hosting here and we have the domain here. Let's start with the hosting. The next thing we are going to be doing right now is to go straight to purchase our hosting and domain. You can see right here on the top bar, we have the hosting and the domain. I'll be purchasing the hosting at first, then purchase the domain. Hovering over the hosting, we can see different packages of the hosting. We have there's shared hosting, there's hosting for WordPress, and there's cellular hosting, VPS hosting, and the rest. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be purchasing shared hosting, and the shared hosting is a very good hosting for business owners that are just starting. This is a good package you can start with for your website business. Now we are on the hosting page. Here we have the hosting packages for the shared hosting, the Stellar Plan, Stellar Plus, and the Stellar Business. And as you can see, there's a bonus of $0 for 30 days. So you get to use their hosting for 1 month before you start making payments. Moving up right here, you can see you can pay either monthly or yearly or bi-yearly. If I'm picking it monthly, that means I'll be paying for this first month, it's going to be $0 per month. Then on approval on the next month, then I'll be paying $4.88. So right now I'm going to go for try 30 days for free. Let me purchase a 1 year hosting package. But before I purchase this, quickly let me show you the hosting packages comparison. On the first Stellar page, we have 3 websites, 20 gig SSD space, unlimited bandwidth, then we have 30 mailboxes, AI for WordPress. You can feel free to check out all the packages, all the features in the packages. Then for the Stellar Plus, we have unlimited websites that can be hosted here. You can get to host many websites on it, unlimited SSD, unlimited bandwidth, and on the premium one, the Stellar Business, we have the 50 gig space, unlimited website as well, unlimited bandwidth, and then many other features. Now let me go straight ahead to purchase the Stellar plan. Good, on this page now I've selected the hosting Stellar plan. Currently the total is zero because they are offering a free first month bonus for every user right now. Then let's link our domain. Then the next thing for us to do is to link our domain. Currently you have the option to either link your existing domain if you have one already, or you buy a new one. For this tutorial I'm going to be buying a new one. So let's assume your business name is TextBiz Let's search for this domain. First thing you need to do is search for the domain, whether the domain is available. Type your domain, your business name, and then you select from the options. Right now we have testbiz.com, testbiz.inc.it.io. The first thing I want to check is to know whether this domain is available, which is testbiz.com. So to know whether the domain you are searching for is available, come down here, check VOTLDS. Now we can see it's loading. Good. We have this green tick on the testbiz.com, which means this domain is available. If not, if the domain is not available, therefore you won't be able to purchase the domain. It's either you go for .org or .any other thing, or probably you switch something in your domain name to ensure that you get the one that is available. Quickly, I'm going to click on connect to hosting. Now I have the domain connected to my hosting. The price for the domain per year is 9.98 for the first year, and on the renewal you are going to be paying $18.48 per year. Add to cart. Now I've added these items to my cart and I'm on my cart page. We have domain for 1 year. You can choose to pay for 2 years or 3 years, but for now I'm going to be selecting the 1 year. Then domain privacy, I will advise you click this, leave it on. Premium DNS, this is optional. If you choose to buy it, then no problem, but it's optional. You can click here to check what the benefit is. Premium DNS delivers 100% DNS uptime and protection. Good. Then if you want to select it, you click on enable and then you'll be charged at this rate per year. But I'm going to leave it unselected. Right here we have our hosting plan, which is the Stellar plan that we selected earlier. We are purchasing 1 year. You can also choose to pick whatever year. Maybe you want to buy for 2 years or 1 month. And quickly, I'm going to brief you on other add-ons Namecheap offers. We have the business email, another add-on. There's WordPress hosting. If you want to purchase WordPress hosting directly instead of buying the Stellar package, here is where you can select it. But I would advise you can still start with the shared hosting Stellar package for your business. Ranking higher, there's an add-on for it. But when you select all these, you get to pay certain amount of money per year, and they are actually optional. It's not a must to get any of this. SSL certificate is going to be coming for free for you buying the Stellar package hosting, so you may not really need to buy this as well. There's premium DNS that I showed you earlier. Then boost your social with AI. You can take your time to check other add-ons here. Probably you might find the one that is best for your business to select. But for now, we are just buying our hosting and our domain. Here we have the promo code. If you have any Namecheap promo code, you can select and paste it here and apply, and then you get your discount over this price. Now I'm done here. I'm going to click confirm order. Now we are on the account contact information page. This is where you get to put your information, your business name, your job title, and your address, your zip code and postal code, your phone number. You put everything there and you hit on click continue. We are on the next page, which is contact information. Ensure you verify your information right here, then you click on continue. The next thing for us to do right now is to put our payment method. Select your card, put your name, put your card number. Then once you are done verifying, you can click continue. Then the next payment method we have is PayPal or account fund. This is where you have some funds rather on your Namecheap account. But if this is the first time, you can just go for your secure card payment or PayPal, then you hit on continue. Once you select the continue button, your order starts processing, then you get to your confirmation page. Once you are redirected to the payment confirmation page, then you head straight to your Gmail to confirm your receipt. And this way you'll be able to buy your domain and hosting. So thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, click on the like button and subscribe. If you need help with your website project, you can feel free to reach out to me. Thanks and bye for now.